Hello everyone, I hope you all are well. The topic of this video is Lay's. Actually, Lay's is a brand of potato chips as well as the name of the company that founded the chip brand in the United States. The brand has also sometimes been referred to as Frito-Lay because both Lay's and Fritos are brands sold by the Frito-Lay company, which has been a wholly owned subsidiary of PepsiCo Pepsi since 1965. Its product type is potato chips. The owner of this is PepsiCo. It was produced by Frito-Lay and its marketing is in the worldwide. It was introduced in 1940, 82 years ago. The related brands of Lay's are Frito-Lay, Volkers, Hostess, Smith's Elma chips. Now I will tell you about the history of Lay's. In 1932, salesman Herman Lay opened a snack food operation in Nashville, the capital city of Tennessee. In 1938, he purchased the Atlanta, Georgia-based potato chip manufacturer Barrett Food Company, renaming it Lay Lingo Company. Lay crisscrossed the southern United States selling the product from the trunk of his car. The business shortened its name to the Lay's Lingo in 1944 and became the first snack food manufacturer to purchase television commercials using Burt lore. In 1961, the Frito Company, founded by Charles E. Dolan, merged with Lay's, forming Frito-Lay, and it combined sales for over $127 million annually, which was the highest sales earned by any manufacturer. Just one sales of chips became international with marketing assisted by a number of celebrities. Annual revenues for Frito-Lay exceeded $180 million by 1965, when the company had more than 8,000 employees and 46 manufacturing plants. In 2000, the company introduced the kettle-cooked varieties as well as more highly processed variety, Lay's Stacks, that was intended to compete with Pringles and several differently flavored varieties. In 2012, Frito-Lay products comprised 59% of the United States savory snack food market. The following Lay's flavors are available in Canada, Pakistan, India, China, Egypt, and Bangladesh. The flavors of Lay's are salt and wine jar, French cheese, yogurt, barbecue, etc. At last, I will tell you about the controversy. In April 2019, PepsiCo's Indian subsidiary sued four farmers in Gujarat, India for copyright infringement, claiming that they were growing a variety of potatoes trademarked by the company for exclusive use in its Lay's potato chips. 2 years later, the ruling was done in the farmers' favor under the Protection of Plant Varieties and Farmers' Rights Act. I hope you all will like this video. Thank you so much.